I'm relaunching my channel. Over the last 10 months, a lot has happened. I got engaged to the love of my life. I had to focus on some tough problems at work because the market conditions have changed. And the biggest change of all, we just bought our new home in one of the least affordable cities in the world. With how steep the price tags are for Aussie homes, where the median price for a home is $1.3 million and the median price for a unit is $800,000, making the decision to buy a place in one of the most expensive cities in the world was not easy. But my fiance and I were on the same page that if we had the means, even slightly uncomfortable, we would take the shot at a home so that we don't get priced out of the market in the future. So the first video coming out in 2 weeks' time will be about why I sold all my stocks to buy a home.
Yep, I sure did.
Okay, so why come back to YouTube now? The biggest inspiration was having to sit through one of the worst personal finance presentations I've ever been to from an investing app. That prezzo was drier than a Weet-Bix. In that moment of feeling like chewing on a Weet-Bix and staring into the abyss, it reminded me of why I started this channel in the first place. YouTube has always been a place where I documented what I've learned and get absolutely ripped for how bad I am at something. In the process of doing that, I learned more about the world of money, and I get to share that with you. Most importantly, I was very moved by some of you sending me DMs asking when I'll be back on YouTube, and knowing that I've had an impact on your life through my content, that was really fulfilling for me. Here's what you can expect of me. You can expect a video from me every 2 weeks to begin with. Each video will continue to center around the world of money or emerging ideas that will ultimately impact how we think about money. With that being said, I'm gonna finish writing the next video. My name is David, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.